Let us talk about the assessment and grading in the course. So we have a total of 14 weeks, of which one of the week is a term break, and our course is split into two parts. One is the foundational part, which runs from May 4 to June 8, and then we get on to the use of this information technology systems on applying it in the context of business. So each component is bundled into 2-week modules. So every 2 weeks you will be doing a bi-weekly Twitter and bi-weekly blog based on these 2 weeks, and a case study pertaining to these 2 weeks. And this cycle we will repeat for every set of 2 sessions. So hardware and software will involve a bi-weekly Twitter, bi-weekly blog, and a case study, and this will repeat 6 times until the 13th week. And in the 13th week you will have a comprehensive project on the emerging technology. Now let's look at the assessment and the grading and the schedule of these submissions. So bi-weekly Twitter and bi-weekly blog will be done together on alternate weeks, and which will encompass the group of 2 sessions every fortnight. So bi-weekly blog and the bi-weekly Twitter will have the same schedule for the submission. Blog is more elaborate compared to Twitter assignment, so it is half the weight of the blog. So a total of 7.5% weightage is at stake every week. So in the week when you are not doing Twitter and blogging, you will be doing a case study. Case study will have a higher weightage, which involves a focused deep dive into a piece of technology and applying into the context. So it will have a weightage of 7.5, and we'll keep repeating this every alternate week. Finally, you will be doing a comprehensive project by the end of the term, and that will have a weightage of 10%, and that is based on the emerging technology or a particular aspect of the information technology world that you want to study in detail. That's what you will be working on. You can choose to start working on this by the middle of the term. As far as grading is concerned, it's simple and straight. 80 and above A grade, 70 and above B grade, 60 and above C grade, 50 and above D grade, and of course with their respective subgrades, and anything below 50 will be considered a fail. Let's talk about the scheduling. You can go ahead of the schedule at any point of time in case your group members agree on majority of the assignments. But if you are running late, there would be late submission penalties. So a delay of up to 1 week after the scheduled date is allowed, and for every day or part thereof, there will be a 10% penalty. So it isn't much. Let's say your weightage is, let's say 7.5. So you will lose 0.75 marks. That is the high weightage assignment compared to bi-weekly tutor, which is 0.25 per day penalty. So I would strongly advise that do not lose marks on the schedule. Medical and compassionate reasons will be accommodated. For the first instance, a student declaration teams before the due date will suffice. Even if it is after the due date, I will accept it. Just that you do not abuse the self-declaration. Know that it's an academic offense to submit a false declaration. In case you seek accommodation often, and for the second or subsequent instances, documentation from medical practitioner or student accommodation services would be required for any consideration. Thank you.